Okay, so there's a beautiful view of Padang Padang. Super busy here. Just walk along the back of the beach and then we'll so we're at high tide now. They have the monkeys here that they warned you about on the signs as we was entering. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 1:30 p.m. I'm here in the Pekatu, Uluwatu area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a place called Labuan Sat Padang Padang Beach. So Labuan Sat Padang Padang Beach here in the Uluwatu area of Bali is a very popular tourist beach. However, it's probably not too well known by many of you that are going to be watching this video. So I'm going to use the camera to bring this very special beach to your attention. So the entrance fee to Labuan Sat Beach is 15,000. Yes, it's one of the only, if not the only beaches here in Bali that you have to pay an entrance fee to the beach. There is a car parking area also just opposite the main entrance to Padang Padang Beach. Motorbike parking is 1,000. There is car parking for cars also. Not sure of the price, but I'm pretty sure it'd be no more than 5,000. So I'm going to take you through the entrance. There is some steep steps walking down to the beach, but they're in very good condition, the steps. There's also quite a few monkeys as well around at this beach, so you have to be careful, very careful with your belongings. If you're just rolling out a towel and sitting on the beach, and when you go in the ocean and leave your bags, monkeys could be a problem going in and taking your possessions or your water or food or things like that. But I'm just going to use the camera and just give you a general idea of what you can expect from this beautiful beach location here in Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and share with you Labuan Sat Padang Padang Beach. Okay, so here we are at today's destination beach, Labuan Sat Padang Padang Beach. There's the main entrance to the beach. There is car parking just around the corner here. 1,000 for motorbike, not sure for car. This is the main entrance to the beach here. So we've got a go boat as well here. Uluwatu from Canggu, from Uluwatu to Canggu. 35 minutes. And then here's a ticket office. Adult foreigner 15,000. Price for the ticket. Okay, so we get a ticket here now. It's an official ticket, 15,000. And now we're going to walk down the steps to the beach. Hello, good afternoon. Oh, sorry. So just has to scan the ticket that we've just been given there. Thank you. To the beach. Oh, it's warnings of monkeys here as well. So they are quite steep steps, however they're not uneven, so it's very easy. Hatty hatty, beware of the monkey. I'm going to go through a cave, I think it is from memory, yes. Cave here. Just have to turn the ISO up on the camera just so we can see. It's a very narrow cave. And just a short walk through the cave and then we're already into the steps now leading down to the beach. There's your steps going out and up. Coming back out of the beach. So we're just a short walk from the ticket entrance and the car parking area. And we've arrived down now to the beach.
I don't know.
Some little market stalls and things all around here. Selling some sarongs if you need a sarong to roll out and lie on the beach. Some bracelets, rings, necklaces. Hello, how are you?
This money.
This money for me, yeah? And here we are at the beach. Wow, super busy. Absolutely loaded with tourists. Not really much Indonesian I see here, only the maybe the store holders. Most of it's just Western people here. Some drink sellers here. Some drinks at the back of the beach as well. Water, aqua, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, Bintang, Radler, Bintang.
Very cold beer.
Very cold beer. Have everything, yeah. This lady's got the blankets as well here. Just look at the amount of people. Wow. Super, super busy. More sellers in the back here. Someone with a little tent in the back here. Some sunbathing in the shade also. And then out in the ocean. Super, super busy here. Just walk along the back of the beach and then we'll take the drone up and give you some aerial view. Wow. We're just chilling, relaxing. There's some more rooms at the back of the beach here. And all of your drinks and things. All in there. Wow. Board rent, surf lesson. And out in the ocean, you see that better from the drone. All the rungs and things up in the back there. Hello. Cold coconuts, your beers. So we're at high tide now. There is another section around here. I'm just walking through the water now. So we have some restaurants and places for drinks up above there. But normally there is a little beach section around here. There's some of the monkeys here that they warned you about on the signs as we was entering. It's at the back of the main beach location here. This monkey was just in the water there. And there's two there. Okay, so there's a beautiful view of Padang Padang. So rock formations there. Some people on the surfboards. Super busy in the ocean. Let's do a pan this direction now. See everybody out in the ocean there. Wow. So beautiful. Okay, so if you want a bird's eye view of Padang Padang, we've just come from that direction. Padang Padang sign is there in the entrance to Padang Padang beach. Walk to this bridge location here. You've got a beautiful view overlooking Padang Padang beach there down below. as your drone view if you haven't got a drone. Wow. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my visit to Labuan Sat, Padang Padang Beach here in the Pekatu, Uluwatu area of Bali. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, what an absolutely fabulous, beautiful beach this is, and very, very popular as well, judging by the amount of people that was sat down there relaxing on the beach. So you have a collection of all of your drinks and food sellers at the back of the beach also. Some sarongs, if you don't bring a towel, you can maybe buy a sarong and just roll it out on the beach and sit on that and relax. Beautiful clean ocean area. Had some beautiful drone shots from up above, beautiful rock formations also in the ocean. I think you can go a little bit further around the side if it's a little bit lower tide, and get some access to some more a little bit private beaches if you want to just sit away from the crowds. But all in all, this is just a fabulous beach location here in the Pekatu, Uluwatu area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.